I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we will learn how to write algebraic expression from the given description. The question is, write algebraic expression for each description for the pattern rule. The description is the number of blocks double each time. So first thing what we will do is we'll make a t table, right? So in t table we'll write n, the number, figure number, as 1, 2, 3 to start with. It can follow, right? And here we are saying the number of blocks double each time. What does it mean? Well, you can start with any number. Let us say we start with 2. Now what is double of 2? Double of 2 is 4. What is double of 4? It is 8, and then 16, and so on. Let me write 4 also. Okay, and so on. So that is what doubling is. Now, from this, can you write the pattern rule? Well, the pattern rule seems to be easy. If you relate n with the number of blocks, we get there 2 times, right? So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 3 is, oh no, it doesn't work, right? It works for first 2 but not rest. So what could be the pattern rule? So how can we find this pattern? Let us explore further. To get the next number, what are we doing? We are multiplying by 2. So it is times 2. Remember, we are not adding, we are multiplying by 2. So it is times 2. Okay. Let us make a set of blocks and check. Let us say this is the first figure and we have 2 blocks. Next time we have 4 because we are doubling them, right? So we have 2 and we just double them. So we have 4, and then next time we have double of 4, that is to say we have 8 blocks. We already had 4. We have 4 more, right? So we have 8 blocks. Now how to describe this kind of a pattern? Now let us say this is our figure number 1, which is n equals to 1, figure number 2, and figure number 3. So these are n values, right? So n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3. These are the number of blocks. We need to find an algebraic expression for this description. How many blocks are there? So you can now pause the video, think about it. Okay, let us see how to get it. Now to get this is like 2, right? This is like 2 times 2, 4. And how about this? Doubling means multiplying by 2 each time. So it is 2 times 2 times 2. So every time what we do is we multiply by 2. That is what it means, correct? So that is the pattern. So you multiply by 2 each time. So whenever it is doubling each time, you are multiplying the starting value by 2 each time. So that is how it should be, right? So that is how we can find a pattern. Now you could sometimes write this as 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of blocks, and if n is 5, it is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? Now use this pattern rule and find. Now the question for you is find the number of blocks, total blocks, in figure number 10. So how many blocks like this will be there in figure number 10? Figure 1 has 2 blocks, 2 has 4, 3 has 8. And how many should there be in figure number 10 if we continue with the same pattern? Thank you.